Back again with a new lesson, lesson 6, distant learning. And this is April the 20th, Monday, April the 20th. My name is Mr. Ortiz. My telephone number is 404 955 6666. 404 955 6666. My email address, Hassan at gsu.edu. Hassan at gsu.edu. In this course, we're using Ventures book number 3. This is it here. Today, we're going to deviate from the book, but this is the book that we're using. In case you want to purchase it, the ISBN number is 976-101-108-44957-1. I'll say it again, ISBN number 976-1-108-44957-1. We have been working on the parts of speech. As you know, there's 8 parts of speech. So we worked on the noun, the verb, the pronoun, and before we worked on the preposition. So today we're going to work on the adjectives and the adverbs. And then later on, we'll work on the conjunctions and the interjection. This will cover all 8 parts of speech, and then we will get back working on our book. I'm pleased that quite a few students have been sending me emails and sending me homework. Continue, okay? And the students that are connecting, please contact me with questions, homework. Let's stay in touch. This is very, very important. So today, we're going to look at the adjective. I love adjectives. Adjectives gives life to a word, gives life, dimension, feeling to a sentence. And adjectives, they add more detail to words. Okay? The word comes to life. I ate a succulent dinner last night. Succulent. Succulent. Okay, so it gets you into the mood of really feeling and tasting this meal that I had last night. The adjective modifies or describes nouns. Okay? Very important. Again, the adjective describes nouns. So let me give you an example. The enormous yacht is not for sale. The enormous yacht is not for sale. So the first thing we do, as you know, we look for the subject of the sentence. What is the subject? Who or what are we talking about? So the subject is going to be yacht. Subject noun. So the first thing we look for is the subject. Second thing we look for is the verb. The verb is. Subject first, verb second, right? Then we could look for nouns. So we have a noun here. Sail. That's a noun. So now we could ask questions about the yacht. What kind of yacht? What kind of yacht? Enormous. So enormous describes the yacht. So it's an adjective. The first word, the. I didn't say the, I said the. Why? Because the word after THE, the next word starts with a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. So then THE is pronounced the, not the. Okay? So the is an article. It's an article. Not is going to be an adverb, and for is going to be a preposition. So once again, enormous describes the yacht. Next sentence. Tito is Hassan's best friend. Tito's my son. I'm Hassan. Okay? So he is my best friend. Tito is Hassan's best friend. Friend is, well, the subject here is Tito, my son. The verb is. Okay? Hassan is going to be a noun, and friend is going to be a noun. Which friend? Best friend. So best is an adjective. It describes friend. How do we find an adjective? There's questions that we need to ask. When we look for the adjective and the adverb, we need to ask questions. We need to become a detective. So the questions that we ask is how many? How many? Sentence. Several students are online now. Several students are online now. The next sentence, the next question, which one? He lives in a yellow house. He lives in a yellow house. Okay? The third, what kind of? The talented students left early. So let's find the adjectives. So students is the subject. Subject noun. How many students? Several. Several. So several is an adjective. The next sentence, using the question, which one? He lives in the yellow house. Okay? So house is a noun. What kind of house? Or which one, which house? Yellow. So that's an adjective. Colors are always adjectives. The next question, looking for an adjective, what kind of? The talented students left early. So students is going to be your subject noun. Subject noun. What kind of students? talented students. Okay, so it's important to know these questions. How many? Which one? What kind of? Okay, so the first sentence, several students are online now. Several, adjective, students, subject, noun, are is a verb, to be verb, online, one word because there's a hyphen there, it's a noun. When, now, adverb, it's an adverb. He lives in the yellow house. He is the subject pronoun. Lives is a verb. In preposition. The adjective, yellow adjective, house, noun. Next sentence. The talented students left early. The is an article. Talented, adjective. Students, subject, noun. What kind of students? Talented. Left, verb. Early, adverb. Later on, we will study adjective clauses. Later on, I'll teach you adjective clauses, adverb clauses, conjunctive adverb clauses, conditional sentences. There's a lot of things I want to show you in due time. Adjectives give us more information. Like I said, it adds more detail to a word and it enhances the sentence. Now, sometimes we have a to be verb before an adjective. He is tall. She is happy. He, subject pronoun, is verb, and tall is going to be an adjective. She, subject pronoun, is a verb. Happy, adjective. Okay? So again, adjectives modify or describe nouns. So write a couple of sentences. Write a couple of sentences with adjectives and send me those sentences, please. Okay, I'm going to change the board now. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. Now, in some sentences, we have more than one adjective. We could have 10 adjectives describing a noun. So we need to have an order on how do we recognize which adjectives come before other adjectives and noun. There's order to this. So let's look at this. The first thing is going to be a determiner, okay? And that term is not used a lot. determiner, determiner, okay? Words like the and this. The second thing is going to be opinion. The third thing is going to be size. The fourth is going to be age. The fifth, shape. The sixth, color. The seventh, origin. The eighth, material. And the ninth, purpose. Okay? So that's the order that we place the adjectives if there's a lot of adjectives before the noun. So let's look at a sentence here. Mr. Ortiz, Mr. Ortiz has a pair of new leather, brown, orange, nice, dancing, soft, Italian, large shoes. They just came in the mail. Let me see. I just got them in the mail a couple of days ago. Brand new. Shoes. What part of speech? Noun. Okay. So I just took words to describe the shoes. I just threw them out there randomly. Put them on the board or put them on a piece of paper. But then I have to be able to organize those words. Okay? So now I rewrote the sentence. Mr. Ortiz has a pair of soft, nice, large, new, orange, brown, Italian leather dancing shoes. Soft and nice is opinion. My opinion or the opinion of somebody else. Large is 3, the size. 4 is age, new. Okay? Orange and brown is 6, the color. 7th, origin. Where did they come from? Italian. The next adjective, leather. 8, material. 9th is dancing. The purpose of the shoes is for me to go out and dance and have a good time. Okay? So now I placed the adjectives in order. Remember, determiner, number 1. Opinion, number 2. Size, 3. 4, age. 5, shape. 6, color. 7, origin. 8, material. And 9, purpose. I'll be back shortly.